Come test drive the 2015 Suburban 1500. The Chevy Suburban 1500 hauls more passengers and cargo than anything in its segment, a fact not overlooked by those who need such convenience or capability. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, remote power door locks, navigation system, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.